So what do you do with a dead car with a broken axle? You take out the airbag and have fun. Just wait and see. Are you ready?
Get it!
5,
in the hole.
4, 3, 2, 1. Oh!
What an airbag! Oh, that's a Nissan airbag.
Good thing you pulled that fuse out of that thing before you jumped it and smashed it up.
Look at the carnage.
Yeah. They can pull some of that. I'd be coughing if I was in there. Holy.
That was insane.
Kind of dangerous, right?
Look at the carnage.
Where is the airbag? Where is, oh, there it is.
Oh,
Go
it's probably
get it.
still warm.
Oh yeah, don't touch the metal part, you'll burn yourself. I get that one.
Oh yeah, she's a little warm.
Let me spit on the hot spot.
Here, we're good.
Oh, that's a... Oh, that's plastic. It's sizzling a little bit. Yep, definitely a Nissan.
Quality Nissan part.
Oh, they made them pink. Let's stand this up, see what it looks like.
That was the best refrigerator
Stand
carnage
up.
I've ever seen.
You're driving that car all the way from Ottawa?
Look at that! It took the bottom and everything out.
It looks just like a coffin. I'm expecting a mummy to fall out right now.
Oh, that is awesome.
You can see where it must have been sitting on the rack. It pushed the rack right in. Wow.
Fucking awesome.
I didn't get it.